Welcome back to our TechTips series. Today we're diving into EPA ranges and how our JPRO EPA assistant can help technicians better understand the systems they work on. To locate the EPA ranges PDF, check out the Data to Monitor section of JPRO and on our Norgon website. We all know commercial vehicles must comply with EPA regulations, but some people may not realize it depends on the truck's manufactured date, and different diagnostic steps may need to be performed based on the regulation year. Our EPA assistant provides technicians with information on the different EPA standards for each vehicle manufactured year, such as EPA 04, 07, and more. Before a technician begins the diagnostic process, the EPA tool can help them understand the available onboard technology and whether tasks such as regens or other bidirectional tests can be performed based on the EPA specific range and standards. Technicians should use the EPA assistant anytime they need to learn about the different EPA ranges and understand the tests available for a specific year or model. For example, let's say you're using Next Step Repair and you need to choose the correct EPA regulation. How would you figure this out and choose the correct component or year range? Our EPA Assistant PDF can help reference the year or unit number so that a technician can follow the corresponding regulations. Until next time, visit Norgon.com for more information.